Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install and configure CSF on Oracle Linux 8.5. CSF is an advanced firewall suite that provides enhanced security for Linux systems. Likewise, the Login Failure Daemon monitors your server for failed login attempts and takes action against the offending IP addresses. First, I am going to check the Oracle Linux version. Use the following command. We are using Oracle Linux Server version 8.5. Now I am going to install the CSF dependencies. Now I am going to download the CSF package using wget command. Once it's downloaded, now I am going to extract the downloaded package using tar command. List the directory. Now change directory to CSF. Now I am going to install the CSF using shell script. Now I am going to disable and stop firewall. Use the following command. Now change directory to this location. Run the following command to check whether CSF is working or not. It's working properly. Now using vim command, I am going to edit the csf.conf file. Make insert and change the testing value equal to 0. Write and quit. Now enable and start both CSF and LFT services. Now I am going to start the CSF. Now it starts working. Now I am going to allow the IP by using the following command. Enter the IP. Now it's added. To check the allowed IP list, open the csf.allow file using vim command. As you can see, I have entered the IP address and it is allowed. Write and quit. Now I am going to deny the IP by using the following command. You can check the denied IP list in the csf.deny file. Using vim command, I am going to this location. As you can see, I have entered the IP address and it is manually denied. Write and quit. Now I am going to remove the rule for allowed and denied IP. Now the allowed IP is removed. Now the denied IP is removed. To restart the CSF, use the following command. Now it's restarted. With this, how to install and configure CSF on Oracle Linux 8.5 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.